Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bruno Lopes and today we are going to do the unboxing and review for Cubot X50. So without further delay, let's get it on. So let's start with a quick unboxing. Cubot X50 is Cubot's flagship smartphone for this year. It's a decent hardware update from Cubot X30 from last year. It comes on the hardware side, it retains the same processor, an octa-core CPU from MediaTek, the Helio P60. It operates at 2 GHz, coupled with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, of which 120 are readily available for the user. Besides this, Cubot X50 now comes with a Samsung sensor of 64 megapixels main camera, coupled with 3 more, of which 16 megapixel wide-angle camera, a 5 megapixel macro camera, and another one that helps with color filters. Selfie camera is of 32 megapixels. It comes with Android 11 out of the box, with a clean, almost pure version of it, as usual from Cubot. In its core, it has a 4500 mAh battery that can last almost 2 days of average usage. A 10 watts charger is on box. It ensures its charging time from 0 to 100% on about 3 hours, more or less. This year, Cubot has also added USB Type-C headphones, so you can listen to radio or hear your own music and videos, etc. So let's look at the smartphone. It comes with a soft case, protective case. It is entirely made of glass. It's the black color they sent me this year. So let's light it up. So here it is, Cubot X50. I have already installed many apps, mine. On the camera department, let's see what it's capable of. It has some modes: video, portrait, Image Beauty Extra, Filter Night, Panorama Pro. So let's take some shots to see how the actual camera fares. Now a macro photo. Oh, so let's see. So here it is, the main camera photo. It has very good details, color accuracy. Now the wide, as you can see, it has a vastly superior wide angle, although it did not retain the same level of detail as the main camera. The macro is outstanding. With a 5 megapixel you can obtain really good results. Now let's see the actual performance of the Cubot X50. Let's see, it's pretty fluid. And the game's performance. In Antutu benchmark, it gets this score. So that's the actual performance of the smartphone. Hope you like it. So this was the video for Cubot X50. Hope you like it. I will leave in the description the link for you to buy it. It retails for around $200 or 180 euros, more or less. You can find some promotions sometimes. So give a like to my video if you like it. Subscribe in the subscribe button to find more news and new videos. So hope to see you soon. Bye.